Hello guys, we withdraw the money, okay? So we insert our card here. Yeah. After we insert the card, wait for a while. Just a moment. Then enter your PIN, okay? Enter. Then how much you want to withdraw? You just 200. Then wait for a while. Our ATM come out here. Then after that, we coming here the money. Yay! Thank you for watching. Yahoo!